In this video, we're going to discuss the Community Analytics Map Layers category. We spend so much time analyzing characteristics of neighborhoods, cities, zips, and regions based on properties, but what about the most important part of any community, the people? With our Community Analytics Layer category, you can do just that. Understand everything there is to know about the people in any given region. The population layer shows you the number of people living in a zip code. The population density layer shows you the number of people living in a zip code per square mile. The female and male population layers show you the percentage of males and females living in any particular zip code. The median age layer comes in hand when you or your clients are moving into an unfamiliar location and want to live amongst their peers no matter what age. The following marriage layers, never married, now married, divorced, widowed, and separated, show you percentage of people with a specific marital status in a given zip code. With the blue collar and white collar occupation layers, you can quickly see the occupation makeup of the areas. The average employee salary layer allows you to see what the average employee salary is in any given zip code. The median employee salary layer shows you the median employee salary of people per zip code. The per capita income layer shows you the average individual income of people in a zip code. This is different than the average salary, as this could include self-employed income, rental income, and other income types besides salaries. The number of households layer allows you to see how many households there are in any given zip code. With the average family size layer, you can better understand the size of families that are living in any given zip code. With the average household size layer, you can see how many people reside in a single household. This is different from the average family size, as it includes non-family members. With the household income layer, you can see the median income of the households in the area. With the disposable household income layer, you can see the average amount of disposable income of the people living in any given zip code. The household expenditures layer allows you to see what the households in this area are spending on living. This includes food, furniture, entertainment, insurance, etc. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.